Losing important files can be frustrating, whether it's documents, photos, videos, or system data. And most people don't realize how hard recovery can be until it actually happens. That's why having the right recovery tool matters, especially one that doesn't overwhelm you with technical steps. So in this video, we're taking a detailed look at the Remo Recover Windows application, and I'll walk you through how the software works, what options you get inside the app, how easy it is to scan and recover files, and what kind of plans are available. This is purely focused on the Windows version and how the application is designed for everyday users. You can simply click on the link given in the description below and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. You're going to click on download now and follow the installation wizard. So once you open the Remo Recover Windows app, the interface is very clean and straightforward. The first thing you're asked to do is select a drive to recover. Here you'll see all available drives and partitions such as local disk C, local disk D, and any other connected storage devices. If you don't want to scan an entire device, Remo also gives you select location to recover options. From here, you can directly choose locations like desktop, documents, recycle bin, or click on select folder to scan a specific folder only. After selecting your drive or location, you simply click on scan and the recovery process starts. At the bottom left corner of the app, you'll find a reload drives button. This is useful if you have just connected a drive and it's not showing up yet. You can refresh the list instantly. Right below that, there is a can't find the drive option. This works as a helper feature guiding you if a drive is missing or not detected properly. And at the top of the interface, you'll see a home button that takes you back to the main screen along with an open recovery session option. This lets you reopen a previous scan, which is extremely useful if you stop the recovery process earlier and want to continue without rescanning every single thing. And one of the most useful features in Remo Recover is the file type filtering at the top. Remo supports a wide range of file categories including animation, applications, archives, databases, digital raw pictures, disk images, documents and spreadsheets, emails, music and videos, programs, and Windows system files. You can simply select the file types you want to recover to narrow down the results. If you need something specific, you can click Add File Type to include more formats. If you want to remove any, you can use Delete File Type and then click Apply to make sure the changes are saved. On the top right side, you'll find the Help option if you need assistance. And next to that is the card which shows your current plan. From here, you can view and choose between the 1-month license, which is for $69.97 with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and it is only for one PC and offers standard tech support. And then we have a 6-month license for $79.97. It has 30-day money-back guarantee as well. It has semi-annual license for one PC, and it offers remote advanced data recovery assistance. And then we have is lifetime license for $199.97 with also a 30-day money-back guarantee, lifetime license for one PC, and remote advanced data recovery assistance. So you can select any plan depending on how long you plan to use the software. There's also an activate button which shows whether your license is active or not. This is where you enter your key once you have purchased a plan. Alongside that, you'll see options for language selection and software updates, keeping everything simple and accessible. And even though there are a lot of data recovery tools out there like Recover or Ease US Data Recovery Wizard that promise to get your files back, but many of them either feel complicated, miss files in tricky situations, or don't let you see exactly what you're recovering. That's where Remo Recover really shines. It's simple to use, guides you step by step, and handles tough cases like formatted drives or corrupted files. Things tools like Recover often can't manage. Plus, the preview feature is fast and reliable, so you can confirm your files before restoring them. Basically, Remo fills the gaps other tools leave behind, giving you both ease and results you can trust. So overall, Remo Recover Windows application keeps data recovery simple and structured. From selecting drives and locations to filtering file types and managing recovery sessions, everything is designed to be clear and easy to use. Whether you're dealing with deleted files or more complex recovery situations, Remo gives you the tools you need without unnecessary complexity. If you want to try it out, I've added the link in the description below so you can explore the software for yourself. And that's all about a tool that's simple, reliable, and handles even the toughest data loss situations with ease.